Okay, fine. I'll get that. Yes. Yeah, I'll just call you back.
So the court.
Just 1 minute, 1 minute.
We'll start with the rules and guidelines have been struck down.
It's
Yes.
better to say that the rules and
Yes.
guidelines had been struck down. That is read out as.
Okay. Prasad, quickly.
एक second, huh? Yes.
The court has just delivered its judgment on the challenge that the petitioner, the Goa Foundation, and several other petitioners made to the validity of Section 17(2). And the court has struck down the rules and the guidelines which enable the operation of Section 17(2). As regards the 17(2) itself, it has decided that the 17(2) has to be read down, which means that any proposals which come have to be considered in the light of the regional plan only and not independently, not by themselves, not for reasons of inconsistency and incoherency. So the detailed judgment is not available right now, it will come this afternoon. But the court has also said that no further approvals can be granted at present when the state government sought a stay of the operation of the Section 17(2) for 6 weeks. So this is a good victory for people because we were opposed to the zonings which were being changed bit by bit, spot by spot in different places, changing the entire context of the landscape of Goa and literally casting aside the regional plan 2021, which is still valid and holds good for the people of Goa, protecting its ecology and environment while also allowing for development in certain areas.
What will happen to the permission already given in this?
The court has placed the matter after 6 weeks, so we will have to read the judgment and consider each individual case because many cases were done on the basis of inconsistency and incoherency and not error. Error has to be shown vis-a-vis the original proposal in the regional plan. So each of the approvals that have been granted have to be considered, to my mind, reconsidered in the light of what they were in the original regional plan, and only if they can show that there was some error in the regional plan, then a zone can be a good zone change could be considered, not because people find that this is not a correct zone or this is not a good zone or I want to develop my property. That is all cancelled by the High Court.
Petition is not disposed of.
Petition is not disposed of. It will be listed after 6 weeks. We had challenged the first 24 approvals, zone change approvals which had been granted. We will have to read that and find out how they are. But to my mind, most of them was spot zoning, which the court has said should not be done. You can't change plots spot by spot, piece by piece in the regional plan. That is not permitted from our reading of the court's declaration in its judgment.
Thank you.
Okay.